hook agad.
Maaga ata yung pull ko.
Bilis ito. Yung Gio, go.
Kaya natatas.
3, 2, no. Nice damage, bro. Hellfire.
Ah,
What the fuck?
I mess up.
Hindi makapag-hit yung blight. Hindi makapag-hit yung blight.
My bad, my bad.
Okay. Can you do this?
Hit Gio while kiting, guys.
I have it.
Gago, sobrang layo.
Kiting, guys.
Jody ako dito saan.
Meron ako.
Ajud here. Okay.
Kiting, guys. Keep kiting. Go.
Gio.
Move. Damage this guy. 3, 2, no. Heal ko.
Nice. Big. Low sila.
Tingin muna ako.
Looking, wala akong cleanse. Light Phantoms looking. Hellfire.
Shaolong cash.
8. Matagal.
Jody, pass.
Mighty.
Naka-cleanse siya.
Meron. Try to finish up.
Meron ka. Ito.
Ba't pa rin yung nitong nila?
Hit.
Wala na silang cleanse ha.
Likod sa likod. Patay na yan. Please.
Wala akong hit. 8. Wala.
Ay, gago. Jody ako dito.
Guys.
Naka-cleanse ko.
Micro.
Takbo micro. Kahit.
Bayab. Yes.
Bago lang ako.
Come.
Help ko mo guys.
Nahit ko dito sa likod.
Okay, west. Meron ka cash.
Wala.
Nakahit na lang.
Please. Kailan pa cash?
Kahit mo na. Matagal. Imbadir.
Bernard. Cannot.
No this up. Patayin to. No this up. Oh gosh.
Meron.
Too hard, bro. What the fuck?
It's okay, keep playing. I can reset this maybe. Ay, Judy Hill. Judy Hill.
Kite. Reset now.
Ay, reset. I got kidnapped before I reset.
Meron ako.
Kite. Ito, Gio. Heal ka. 3, 2, 1. Heal ka. Patay to.
Help po.
Please, patay.
Patay.
Gago, di ko na nakita yung target na.
Kite.
Help me. Wala ako dito.
Kite. We can reset.
Yeah.
Stop, Judy.
Shaolong cash.
5.
Okay, kite. Just keep kiting. Oh, fuck.
No.
Dopey.
I'm bad. Wala.
Fuck.
Patay ka na cash.
Oh, patay.
Cast the win.
Please. 3, 2, 1. Please. Kite.
Nice.
Judy Manix.
Tawa ka.
Pag na lang tong helper na.
Yes, run away, Manix.
Doki.
No, guys, hit out. Fuck. Kite.
He got first, bro.
Kaya pa, huminga